What the hell's going on here?
You call this entertainment? Wait a second.
That's it, taking over.
What? Where are we going?
We're going back. Way back. Ready, everyone? Let's go!
Whoa, how did we get here? I don't know, Murray, but I reckon we're in the 1990s.
I think Jeff's falling asleep, guys.
Well, you know what we gotta do, guys? On the count of 3, we're gonna yell, "Wake up, Jeff," to give him a big fry. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Wake up, Jeff!
Yo, my name is Jeff and I'm the real thugger of the Wiggles. All these kids these days get themselves stuck inside the middle of a real life crisis. It's ridiculous how life is a plastic sensation without corporations hiring.
Now I blast to the past and I'm coming at you fast with the rise about the times when the kids went outside but now they can't. The irony is, the further we get, the more we forget of how simple just living your life is.
Now it's Murray's turn on the stick, slipping by, riding slick, hopping on the beat, playing Ring of Rosie on the street. Looking real fly, the kids looked at us guys, but now the Xbox and iPads have left us to die. Are we living a lie? Now tell me, when was the last time you saw your kid cry? Was it because of Fortnite, or because he didn't get to watch a show that he likes? So what are we gonna do about this epidemic?
We're gonna take it back to country. Oh, yeah. Where did we come from? Where will we go on these open roads? God only knows. We travel here and we travel far, singing toot toot, chug a chug a big red car.
Wags a dog on the back of the trailer. We're gonna need his help sooner or later. Spending time with the ones we love, no wasting it all away. We travel here and we travel far, singing toot toot, chug a big red car. Whoa, I think Jeff's falling asleep over here, brother.
Well, you know what we gotta do, Murray.
I sure do.
Ready, everyone? 3, 2, 1.
Wake up, Jeff. Wake Jeff up inside.
You can't wake up.
Wake Jeff up inside.
Save Jeff!
Save Jeff from the sleeping thing he does.
Wake up, Jeff.
Wake Jeff up inside.
Wake up.
Wake up, Jeff inside.
Save Jeff!
Save Jeff from the sleeping thing he does.
I'm awake now, I think I need a cup of tea. Was trying to sleep, but you were only bothering me.
But all the kids at home, they still want to show. You need to entertain them before they go.
Go to what? To school, yeah, that's real cool. School's for losers, yeah, I dropped out of primary school.
Oh no, now Jeff is falling asleep again. Eyes are closing, starting to dream of
Wake up, Jeff.
Wake Jeff up inside.
Come on, wake up.
Wake Jeff up tonight.
God save Jeff!
Save Jeff from the sleepy boy he's become. I think I've got the runs.
Alright.
I don't know I'm doing this.
I'm wasted!
Save Jeff from the sleepy boy he's become.
Hey, let's finish what we started. Yeah. We the Wiggle Gang. That's right. We like all of you.
We got Sab on the tour.
Yeah, all the wiggle money, you. Buy me all the ladies that I could ever use. These bitches think I'm stylish. Got my fortune from subpar rhyming. Now I'm flying. I'm higher than a kite. I get a panic attack nearly every other night. It ain't hard to write rhymes when I'm mumbling. All my blood money got these little thoughts stumbling.
Fruit salad, yummy yummy. Put it in your plate now, you won't be hungry. Fruit salad, don't believe it. What genius can possibly conceive?
Yeah, I believe I'm jumping on a fruit. Yeah, these so big cause I don't my boat. I know I'm doing time for a crime I didn't do. That thought didn't tell me she was 14, dude. I know I'm crying in court, yeah. And not for relations with schoolgirls. Got caught out for handling drugs, yeah. In prison I won't be a thug, yeah. Thinking of time behind, but I'm thinking about should have taken this life. But now what did you live at me? I also got locked up for beating my wife. My lifestyle is heavily glorified. I do not know why I make up this shit. These children these days just do not know what it means to grow up inside of the light.
So we get back to fruit salad, like we want to relive it all. Degenerates these days don't care about others, just want to look after themselves. Fruit salad, yeah, fruit salad, yeah. Someone get me fruit salad, not a metaphor, just one fruit salad.